Come on, I'm not playing games with you. Levon, let's go. Yeah, he took off running down the trail. He was so good about staying close by at the last camp. Fortunately, his color kind of stands out like a sore thumb in here. You know what's gonna happen? He's gonna walk back up the road to camp, and I'll find him in his bed. There he is. He's on the other side of the road. You're killing me, dog. Where did he go? Jesus. Following, trying to chase him down on foot isn't working. I look completely lost sight of him. Thing is anybody who sees him in a vehicle, he'll jump right in their car without any hesitation whatsoever. Look who's back. You are a bad dog. Don't wag your tail at me. That was bad.